How to fix File Explorer not responding on Windows 10 or 11. Now, sometimes for very weird reasons, your File Explorer, which is this particular file manager, might not be responding as well. Now, to do and normally solve this, you can wait a couple of seconds or minutes. It will automatically come back. But if it's not coming back, what we have to do is make sure that the file manager is open in the background. While doing so, look for an empty space in your taskbar at the bottom. So from that particular empty space, right click on it and then simply click on Task Manager. And once you click on Task Manager, over here you will see a couple of options. Now, if your File Explorer, which is your Windows Explorer, is open in the background, you'll find them under the Processes tab. You have to simply right click on it and click on Restart. So when you restart your Windows Explorer or your File Explorer, then after that your File Explorer will be closed and it will be opened up automatically. And this way you'll be able to solve if your File Explorer is not working. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.